Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe by the grace of God. Welcome back to Science Online class. Children, in the previous class, we have revised nutrients such as carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals, roughage and water, and balanced diet. And also we revise 3 question answers. Hope you all have learned that portions. Children, today we are going to revise preservation of food, rest, posture and exercise, and the remaining question answer, and also the book back exercise. Okay. First, preservation of food. Children, why do we need to preserve food? Yes, if food items are kept for a long period of time, they get spoiled, isn't it? So, these food items are bad for our health. So, we have to preserve the food. We can preserve food by drying, pickling, refrigerating, deep freezing, canning and bottling. What is drying? Drying means removing the water content of the food. For example, we can say drying grapes to get raisins. The next, pickling. What is pickling? Mixing fruits and vegetables with salt and oil. Example, mixing mango, lime and other vegetables with oil and salt. Then refrigerating. Refrigerating means keeping food in the fridge to preserve it for a short time. For example, keeping cooked food and fresh vegetables in the fridge. Next, deep freezing. Deep freezing means keeping food in the freezer to preserve it for a longer time. Example, keeping meat and fish in the freezer. Then canning and bottling. Canning and bottling, it means storing food in cans and bottles. Example, bottling of sauces and jams. Okay, next, rest, posture and exercise. Children, why do we need rest? We need rest for proper functioning. Children need 9 to 11 hours of sleep in a day. If you did not sleep properly, our body organs will not function properly. So, it can make us fall ill. So, you have to take rest. Okay. It is important for a healthy body. Next, posture. Posture means body position. Children, why is it important to maintain correct posture? Correct posture, keep our backs upright while standing or sitting. So, if you did not sit or stand properly over a long period of time, it can lead to pain in joints and muscles. Okay. Next, exercise. Children, why should we exercise our body? We should exercise our body to stay fit and healthy. So, you have to do exercise and play outdoor games such as hockey, football, cricket, etc. Okay. Yoga also helps in keeping your body fit. 21st June is celebrated as the International Yoga Day. Okay. Next, exercises. First, fill in the blanks with the correct words. First one, we need food to dash. Grow and stay healthy and strong. Second, dash give us energy to do work. Nutrients. Third, young children need more dash food than adults because they are still growing. Protein rich. Fourth one, dash improves eyesight and keeps our skin healthy. Vitamin A. Fifth one, dash helps in the formation of blood. Iron. Sixth, our body needs dash for all its functions. Water. 7. Dash refers to body position. Posture. Next, choose the correct option. First one, nutrients help us in A. Giving energy to do work, B. Repairing our body, C. Preventing us from falling ill, D. All of this. Answer is D. All of this. Second, which of these do young children need more than adults? A. Carbohydrates, B. Proteins, C. Fats, D. Roughage. Answer is B. Proteins. Third one, which of these contain more energy than carbohydrates? A. Fats, B. Proteins, C. Vitamins and minerals, D. Roughage. Answer is A. Fats. Fourth one, which of these vitamins help in improving the eyesight? A. Vitamin A, B. Vitamin B, C. Vitamin C, D. Vitamin D. Answer is A. Vitamin A. Fifth one, which of these would help in the formation of blood? A. Calcium rich foods, B. Iron rich foods, C. Foods rich in vitamin C, D. None of this. Answer is B. Iron rich foods. Sixth one, which of these would be needed for stronger teeth and bones? A. Sodium, B. Magnesium, C. Calcium, D. Iron. Answer is C. Calcium. Seventh one, which of these would you use to preserve grapes as raisins? A. Drying, B. Refrigerating, C. Canning, D. Pickling. Answer is A. Drying. Eighth one, which of these can be preserved by pickling? A. Mango, B. Lime, C. Vegetables, D. All of this. Answer is D. All of this. Next, give one word for the following. First one, substances needed by your body for good health and growth. Nutrients. Second one, food items rich in carbohydrates. Energy giving. Third, food items rich in proteins. Body building. Fourth, food items that protect us from diseases. Protective. Fifth, the part of the plant food that cannot be digested. Dietary fiber. Sixth, a mineral that helps in the formation of bones and teeth. Calcium. Seventh, a diet that has all the nutrients in the right amount. Balanced. Next, give two examples for each of the following. First one, foods rich in calcium. Egg, milk. Second, foods rich in iron. Green leafy vegetables, dry fruits. Third, foods rich in dietary fiber. Cereals, fruits. Fourth, foods preserved by pickling. Mango, lime. Fifth, foods preserved by canning and bottling. Sauces, germs. Okay, children, now take your science booklet. Fourth one, why do we need to preserve food Name any 5 ways of preserving food. We need to preserve food to prevent it from getting spoiled. The 5 ways of preserving food are drying, pickling, refrigerating, deep freezing, canning and bottling. I repeat, why do we need to preserve food? Name any 5 ways of preserving food. We need to preserve food to prevent it from getting spoiled. The 5 ways of preserving food are drying, pickling, refrigerating, deep freezing, canning and bottling. Fifth one, why is it important to maintain correct posture? It is important to maintain correct posture because the correct posture keep our backs upright while standing or sitting. I repeat, why is it important to maintain correct posture? It is important to maintain correct posture because the correct posture keep our backs upright while standing or sitting. Sixth one, why should we exercise our body? We should exercise our body to stay fit and healthy. I repeat, why should we exercise our body? We should exercise our body to stay fit and healthy. Okay. With this, I finish today's session. We shall revise the second lesson in the next class. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.